Here you go. It's on you, my man. Let's see it. Get some air, get some air. Get it. All right. Yeah. Oh, no. Come on. Clear it out. You got it. Clear it out. Come on. All right.
You got a light on your hands?
You got a light on? Hang on 1 second.
All right, 19.84. Rock paint, we need you to staging area. Rock paint, we need you to staging area. You're gonna miss your first run. Next up, we got Josh Ward. This dude came all the way from New Hampshire, ain't that right? That's right. He won the qualifier up there for Monster. So let's see what he did. Alright. Timers, we good? Yeah! Bouncing off the rev limiter, baby. Come on. Timers, they good?
I just won, man.
Alright. It's on you, my man. We're in the skipper, let's see it. Get it rock and roll, baby. Alright, timer's ready. Alright, Johnny, it's on you. Come on. Woo!
Come on.
Oh, no. Something ain't right. He wasn't pulling right.
Wrong way, man.
Johnny makes it.
Alright, so he had technical difficulty, so he'll get a DNF, I guess, for that one. Did not finish. Alright, hit it, man! Come on! Get it, son! Oh, here we go. Done. Alright, keep digging. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see it! Come on! Get it, son! Come on! Oh. Dang. Come on! You got it, man! Come on!
He's definitely gonna have some wheel speed. It's gonna be quiet as shit.
Yeah, you can't even hear it.
Yeah.
All right, timer's good. All right, JT, it's on you whenever you're ready. Hit it. Come on.